Hi all, I'm running my slider for Circuit Avengers number 23, Halo 9.8. Get a timestamp. If my computer wants to work today. And 3:17 here in Perth. 3:17 here in Perth. They were, oops. Uh, 38 spots here with Greg at 38 and number 1 is Ben. Put those in there. 38 Greg, number 1 Ben. 3 dice roll. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Good luck, people. PM me when you see this. Winner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 11, so 2 more to go. Second last, and that's 10, last one to go. Good luck, everyone. 11 times 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the winner is, with spot number 1, Greg, with spot number 35. Congratulations, mate. You've won that. Get a final timestamp. Oops. And that is 3:19. 3:19 here in Perth, WA. Double check that. 38 items on the list and run 11 times with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thanks, everyone.